Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Suhan Mustafa and second video of September. Week is ending, Sunday here, and 7th of September it is. I was away from charts last week, didn't traded much, but the price also didn't move that much, so we'll update things accordingly. So let's begin where we left. So same higher time frame charts, same we have important levels up there. Let me remove this. Yes, okay. On weekly we had this important level to hold. We have this level here as well. This is I think was monthly something. Yes, monthly previous support. Sorry, resistance it was. We flipped, retested, went up and then dumped, and now we are ranging again here. So on daily, we are still on this demand here, which is a crucial level. Lose here, and then we will tap those level like 103, 105 zone. We will tap. Otherwise, we are still in this zone, and we are choppy as hell. Lower time frame. This was liquidity. I was hunting back then. Price was here somewhere here, so I was looking at some longs here to tag there, but due to some personal issues and sudden death in my family, I didn't check up on things, neither I traded. So this setup is completed now. This is my higher time frame analysis. Until unless this daily is holding, I'm good. Now going back to drawing here on lower time frame, what's cooking and what we will get in near future. I didn't check on charts that much. I will analyze with you guys here. So what's up here? The thing which I noticed here is that we are making like lower lows, lower high, lower low, again lower high, lower low, lower high, and this low. This is not a lower low, this is higher low, and we went up to create an higher high. So this is the thing which is a bit mm, tactical here, skeptical, I would say, a bit uh, creating trouble. Like we had a good candle close here. We closing a whole candle above here. So now this is higher low or it's an inducement. This was an inducement. It will tell us later in this week because we created another thing which is these equal highs up here. So if this formation, the thing which I am marking here is right, correct, then it should be like we have this internal liquidity pending up here just above demand here. So our new internal liquidity is here, and we left these two as well. So I will look at for closest here, and this is a three order block. You see one tap, second tap. So now what's the plan? I will go towards lower time frame. There is nothing clear, much clear here in this zone, but I will see something like this sweep into it, and then again pull back, something like this kind of structure here, and give us OTE here, the retest here, and then go back towards these higher highs. Until then, I am sidelined. I am watching charts here because I need to be on charts for at least 24 hours to see, to get my eye set on charts. Other than that, I don't see anything much. Higher time frame, if I see it closely, so equal highs, just below equal highs, we have this daily resistance, and it played out perfectly. One tap, second tap, again banged. So if we are getting, if this resistance is here, and if you see this support, daily support is also here. The support and resistance a choppy zone it is. I would suggest to wait for price to get out of this zone first. Then we will trade accordingly. Like this is a support, this is a resistance. Now price is going up, then down, up, down. If I had on my charts, so that's a good range for me to trade on lower time frame. but I was away from the chart, so it will be difficult for me as well to trade that with that accuracy. It will take some time. So this is a supply zone here. Above here, we are going good. Below here, I will look at this zone, how it will react. If it gives me a good structure, then I will go against the trend again, once again. Other than that, now bearish scenario, look at this gigantic wick here. I will mark it 0.5 here. This one, 102 exactly, I will mark it as 102.0. So I will assume this is a 50% of that wick. It should fill before going down. First, I discussed bullish scenario, gave me something like this, and here we had a clear equal highs here, so we can tag these equal highs as well, and above this resistance, of course, and below here we have support. So in between, I am looking at it now. At support we have this liquidity which I show you here. I will mark those liquidities, removing this as well. This is daily support here. I will remove daily resistance. I remove. This is the mid of D wick. So keeping this in mind here, and lower this one. These were also small equal lows here. Another internal liquidity and another one. So three liquidities below, one is above. Which one will be get taken out first? It will be in next week. We will see. So I was discussing lower time frame bearish scenario, like what should we do? So 50% of wick might get filled out. So now structure wise, if I see here, sector broke here, order block tested, good, higher high, good, higher high, good, higher high, good, until this low taken out. We had previous higher low here, so it rejected. Of course, it should reject here. Then we had this previous supply, we broke through, we retested, good, we banged. What was that? I think some kind of news. That was a nasty candle. Again, we started moving like a hit coin. So lower time frame, if I go again on lower time frame, good FVG is created here. Extreme PY is here for shorts, of course for shorts. And this higher low is also broken here. So the price can go here. We can try a small short as well with one entry, second entry above at extreme PY here. This one, I will check some more confluences as well with that. This is a range. 0.5 test is good. And where is our OTE landing? Exactly at the mid of that week. Good, great, good, good or goodest. So what should I do? There is chance that we might take this short, but this will, I am not taking it. I will wait for some to get my eye set done first. So first target this one. That is also 2 hour setup. Second one, this one, 2.87. And the final will be, of course, this one, 3.57 or. So let me check one more thing here. This is the H4 supply. One tap, two tap, three tap. Okay, good one, good one. So you can place like something like this, one entry here, second entry here in case, and you should move your stop for safer trade like above here. Yes, should be above here because equal highs here, and two entries here. So that will be a pretty nice short here. This one, Bitcoin lower time frame. This is a bearish scenario. You can take a try on it. and we had a beautiful FEG as well here. This is a beautiful inverse FEG exactly. Their confluence is matching here. Where is this? Hmm. We have value area high as well. So tag here, then back in it and go down. So, okay. Move another thing to check my key levels. Daily open Monday high it is. And previous week high is above here. Monthly open is below here. So this monthly open zone will be good for long. So that will be your exact proper TP here. 2.57 or it is good one. Not bad one. Because monthly open will take support. It will take support here. So get out from your short positions here. That will be a good. Because we are, don't forget that we are in higher time frame demand zone and daily we are bouncing from demand. Look at these candles. If you analyze candles here, sharp drop, reverse, then drop, bottom, sell, small candle, but look at this green candle. Three candles of red, but green is good right now. Who knows? At the end of the day, we got another wick candle. But this is what I'm seeing right now. Other than that, nothing on Bitcoin. Back to the Ethereum chart. Ethereum, I will discuss quickly because I don't want to make lengthy videos. It will. So weekly, we had this one weekly resistance here. Mark it with yourself. Whenever price came here, it will reject quickly. And daily support is lying below here at very key level. So key level and daily support matching. So if Ethereum is dropping, don't be surprised. It might get taken support here in this zone. And this is what it is making right now. A shit structure. Why I mark this one? I will check it on lower time frame. Okay, one tap, two tap, three tap, three not tap, two tap, three taps here. So if it drop, there are chances that it takes supports in this zone once again. And D support here. And if you see this H3 shit candle here, small. So if price drops, if Bitcoin drops, then Ethereum will be in this zone like 40, and you can take long scalp here, stop somewhere here, and a small bounce can be given. And this is the liquidity it left above here. It will be the target. So nothing on Ethereum, nothing on Bitcoin, but didn't happen much thing on charts. Uh, if I check down, I have a GMT long from last week and it's still running and I don't know what to do with it, but I'm just holding it. Might be it give me a glorious candle from nowhere. You'd never know. So I'm just holding it. Other than that, I don't have anything on the radar. Nothing much. What happened with gold? That was previous week POI here. If you guys remember, I gave you this POI. It didn't even test it. It went up straight. Great to know that. And we are in, okay, boss. We are in price discovery once again. Look at these green candles. Shit. Nice, nice, nice one. So whoever trading gold makes good money, man. You guys had a great week last week. It went up straight, stamp. So yes, this is it from my side. Bearish scenario I explained here and bullish scenario as well because at monthly open we can look at the longs on Ethereum. I simply just get rid of this shit structure here because trading in this between here is nothing. If we get here somewhere here, that will be a good zone to long, inshallah. So this is it from my side. Take care, guys. See you on next week, next weekend. Hopefully, we get some money out of this market. Allah Hafiz.